Here's exactly where to change your YouTube channel name. Inside YouTube Studio, click on Customization, and you'll notice two names that you have the ability to update. The first one is your channel name. It's important to note this is the name that's going to follow you around for most of your activity on YouTube, be it publishing a video, the main text on your channel homepage, even in the post tab, and it's also what's going to show up in search results. The second name is your handle, and this is how people find and tag your channel. It's what YouTube considers your unique identifier, which just means this is your channel URL. This is also the name that shows up when you leave comments and when you post shorts. Now, both of these names come with a strict 14-day rule, which just means you can only change these names twice within a 14-day period. So double check that spelling just to make sure you're not stuck with a typo. And a good thing to know about changing your handle name is YouTube actually holds your old name for you during that 14-day period, so that if you change your mind, you could easily revert back to it. Changing your YouTube name is no small thing. You are choosing the direction for your YouTube channel, and I actually put a video together to support you from this point and help you avoid the 6 things that hurt new and small channels. You can click or tap the screen right here, and I'll see you in that video.